I'm so excited to share with you how to make these light and airy tulle bows that my toddler is just obsessed with. This is a true 5-minute craft. I timed it. It took me half an hour to make 6. Starting with 2.5-inch wide tulle, wrap it around 4 of your fingers or a pre-made cardboard piece that you trim to size. I did this about 5 to 6 times, but how many layers you have will depend on your personal preference. If you can't find this width of tulle ribbon, you can also cut 6-inch tulle in half. Now cut your layers of tulle off the rope, but keep them looped together at the ends. Cinch it in the center and then fold the ends down. Prepare a needle and thread and just push it through all your layers from one end to the other. Careful with your thumb over there. You may need to wiggle it a little bit and then you just pull it through. Yes, it should be knotted at the end like threads should always be. After you've pulled it through, you're simply going to wrap it around your center as many times as you can. Wrap it pretty tight. That's what's holding the cinch in place. Do make sure that you remain centered on the bow. And then when you're done, you're going to secure it once again by threading the needle through all the layers. Tie off your thread and then trim it. Now, for the center, we're going to glue on an accent ribbon and wrap it around a few times. You can also sort of roll together a piece of tulle if you want it to be entirely tulle, but I really do like the contrast and the balance that something like this rickrack can add. When you're done, you're going to secure a clip to the back. If you'd like, you can sort of thread the ribbon through the jaws of the clip. However, sometimes when I do that, I accidentally glue the clip shut. So if you're confident that you can not do that, it may be a bit more comfortable and a bit more secure if you do loop the ribbon one time through the clip. Now just secure it in place and trim. Make sure that all your glued elements are on the back of your bow. You can also, of course, add these to headbands or bobby pins or whatever you'd like. Once you're done making one, of course, make another one. I made it in 3 different pretty colors, experimenting with different ribbons that I wrapped around a few times, and I just love, love, love how springy and fun it looks.